All right, so we're back upstairs now. I already have the charts pulled up. I'm at 201 for today on this one. My live account, we're at 1537. And then on a challenge account, I was able to cash out 500. 500 pip move on either or side. So, yeah, I'm expecting something even bigger coming up soon. Finished with the computer. We just finished our analysis. Now, I got some things to do today. Alright guys, so I wanted just to try something different today, and we're gonna vlog. We're gonna see how this goes. So, currently right now, I am making myself some breakfast and some tea, and then after we're gonna go upstairs, hop on the markets, we're gonna do Sunday analysis, and we're gonna see what this trading week holds. I'm thinking in about a week or so, I'm gonna go ahead and redo that 100 or whatever amount of money to 100,000 or $50,000. I think I'm ready. I think I want to do it again. So that's gonna be a new series coming up. Stay tuned for that. But for now, let's wait until this is done. All right, so we're back upstairs now. I already have the charts pulled up, ready to go. So let's hop on the computer and let's see what this week is gonna hold. There's a lot of ways to think about it for this week. I need to see how Sunday and Monday plays out just so I'll know. But for now, I do think I'm going to be looking for a sell opportunity only because it came down, break and retest, as you could see, pretty big. It broke through. It broke through, retested, and then kept going down. So now it came all the way back to retesting this area again. So it's either going to fall down even further or it will keep going up and take over the previous highest point and continue all the way up to maybe like 21 200. But we'll see what this week will bring for us. Then if we go over to NAS 30, it's kind of did the exact same move. They are at different points. So this one you could see is a little bit more well thought out. So if I draw just a simple box right here, you'll see that this used to be a resistance area and then we broke through. So now that we broke through, it couldn't go any further than 41,641. This is the highest point that NAS 30 has gone at this point now. And after that, it just started selling off, big sell off. And then it came down to get all of this liquidation down here. And then it shot right back up. So what I'm assuming is going to happen this week for 30 is that it already did a bounce. It's probably going to continue up, go probably up to 41,365 right around these 2 points right here, and then fall. I think it's going to create one more big fall and possibly shoot up, but I'm not too sure in the sense that, this is the market. It's very volatile. Anything can really happen. But that is my analysis for NAS 30 and NAS 100. So now, right here as well, it tapped in just a tad bit. It's a big level, but it did get into this level if I move it down just like that. Yep. So tapped in again, and then now the breakthrough. So I'm hoping for another fall back down past the 2500 zone, all the way down to this point of control area, and then a bounce back up maybe to 2600, 2700. Banks, institutions, hedge funds, they were all saying that gold is going to go past 3000 or maybe even 3500 this year alone. So if you were shorting gold, or if you're ever thinking about shorting gold, I would highly suggest changing up the strategy because I thought it was going to go down. A lot of people thought it was going to go down, and all it's been doing is continuing to go up more and more and more and more. So we can only help or hope that it's just going to keep doing that exact type of move. All right, well, we just finished with the computer. We just finished our analysis. Now, I got some things to do today and then see what the rest of the day brings us. So let's do that. Just wanted to basically go over the fact that gold did a little bit of consolidation and then shot right back up to the same zone it was before. So probably tomorrow, with no news currently, it most likely will do the same thing, consolidate a little bit, maybe have some more leeway in either or direction. So I'm probably going to stay away from gold tomorrow. 30 shot up, not a lot, but it is going to go up a little bit more. I'm praying that it will go to this point of control area and maybe I can get a sell opportunity. If not, then it's definitely going to go in between and take one of these highs before falling back down. So we're going to pay attention to that because this is definitely a good opportunity. As you can see, the last two big swings were, I mean, they were massive. These were, let me just check right now, almost 2,500 pip move on either or side. So, yeah, I'm expecting something even bigger coming up soon. And same thing with NAS 100. NAS 100 also moved up, so I'm assuming that it's going to keep moving up in, small increments throughout the week, and hopefully ending the week all the way back here at this point of interest, right around 20,600, we'll call it. But definitely, it's looking like a very bullish week. I know it's the beginning, it's only been Sunday, Monday. It's very early to say what the week is going to be like, but the bias is correct for now. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted. It is now almost 12 o'clock. This is an express account from Top Step. I'm at 201 for today on this one. My live account, we're at 1537. And then on a challenge account, I was able to cash out 500. So today was a really good trading day. It was pretty good. I mean, from the analysis from Sunday, we were able to catch some good trends. So if we just go to gold for starters, right? Since Sunday, we were saying that there was going to be a pullback. It did do that pullback. It came right into the 25-25 area, right? And then it came right back up. Once it came right back up, I took a buy opportunity. I was waiting for, I don't even know how long for it to happen. And then all of a sudden gold shot up right around, I think this was, let me see what time this was at. This was at 3 in the morning. It 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 was kind of weird, I would say, for London session and Asian session. But that's when it, like, it just shot up at that time. It was very, very weird. I put in the order limit and it just got filled. When I woke up in the morning, it was right around this area. And I just pulled out, and I was glad I did, because right at 10 and 11 o'clock it came right back down to put me at break even, which if I didn't pull it out, I would have been taken out of the trade, because it would have been a break even. Given that this is at all-time high, I usually, take profits very early. This was on my live account for about 15,000. That was the second account that you guys saw for the 1537. And then for the other two accounts that I caught on the challenges, or the express account and the challenge account, was going to be on 30. So 30, I'll show you guys right now on the, I think it was on the 15-minute time frame. As you guys can see, it was creating a consolidation zone. I would say like a tunnel, some people like to call it. And it was not moving from this area for quite some time, as you can see. So I put in a sell opportunity at this very, very low point right here underneath this bullish wick. And once it took it over, I just rode it. This one hit for not a lot. I used a micro for it, so it actually just worked out pretty simply. And then once it finished, I was able to pull that out. So it was a very, very, very simple, easy trading day. What I'm thinking for the rest of the week, though, you guys can look 1 second. So I'm hoping that NAS 30 is going to eventually make its way back up to this point of control area. If I can get a sell opportunity, then I'll be very happy, and we'll take that sell and we'll hold it all the way down to this point of control and previous Sunday open. But if not, then if it does bounce and it comes down for the rest of the week, we're just going to wait until it gets to this zone, so we can wait to see if it's going to make another bounce and come up, or if it's going to fall down. Because if it comes to this zone again, I'm not too sure if I'm going to be buying or selling, given that it's come to this zone and just consolidated and went the opposite direction than you actually think it's going to do. So I'm going to stay away from it when it gets to this zone, so we'll see. And then for NAS 100, again, it just bounced in this area and then it consolidated for a little bit. It did the same thing that 30 did, which was just fall down, right? Broke this consolidation zone. It shot up and then it came right back down. That's usually what happens, a little reversal play taking over the highs and then falling down and creating a new low. So this was, playbook play right here. But I didn't take this trade, and I'm going to stay away from it until it gets further away from that line, or if it bounces from it. Again, let me show you. So if anything, I need it to bounce completely from this line, because it's a whole number 19,700. If it can do that for me, then I'll take a buy opportunity and we can carry it up to take over these highs over here, this consolidation zone. All right, so that's basically what I'm aiming for the rest of the week. This is the end of the video. The next video you will see will probably be a continuation of my analysis, what I'm doing for the week, and also the start of our whatever amount of money to $100,000. That's what the end goal was going to be, and that's just going to be for the purpose of a series. But I think the starting amount will probably be like 200, 300, 400 bucks. I don't know, just gonna throw some random amount in my head and just put it in an account, and that's what we're gonna start with. So stay tuned for that in the next video, and I'll catch you guys in another one.